Ever wondered how to create your own 3D cartoons offline? Today, we'll delve into the top 10 AI 3D cartoon makers that you can use without internet access. Prepare to unleash your creativity as we count down from 10 to 1. At number 10, we have Toon Boom Harmony. This software is an all-rounder, offering a range of tools for both traditional and digital artists. With its user-friendly interface, anyone can create their own 3D cartoons. It also incorporates AI technology to streamline the animation process. Next, at number 9, is Blender. This free and open-source 3D creation suite supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline. It's not just for modeling, it's also great for animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking. Its AI capabilities help in generating realistic animations with ease. Moving on to number 8, Autodesk Maya. This software is a powerhouse of 3D animation. Maya offers a comprehensive creative feature set for 3D computer animation, modeling, simulation, rendering, and compositing on a highly extensible production platform. Its AI integration helps to create more realistic animations. At number 7, we find iClone. This real-time 3D animation software helps you produce professional animations for films, previews, animation, video games, content development, education, and art. Embedded with AI, iClone makes it easier to create human-like animations. Sliding into the 6th spot is Cinema 4DE. This software is perfect for those who want to create advanced 3D graphics quickly and easily. With a robust suite of tools and AI integration, Cinema 4D can help you to create stunning 3D cartoons. Halfway through at number 5, we have Poser. This 3D computer graphics program is optimized for the 3D modeling of human figures. Its AI capabilities help in creating realistic human animations, making it a perfect choice for those looking to create human-centric cartoons. At number 4, Daz Studio, a feature-rich 3D figure customization, posing, and animation tool that enables anyone to create stunning digital illustrations and animations. Its AI integration helps in creating lifelike animations. Moving into the top 3, at number 3 we have Houdini. Known for its high-quality graphics, Houdini is a 3D animation software application developed by SideFX. The software's procedural node-based workflow allows for more interior control over the creation of 3D animations. Its AI capabilities make the process even smoother. At number 2, we find ZBrush. This digital sculpting tool combines 3D modeling, texturing, and painting. It uses a proprietary pixel technology which stores lighting, color, material, and depth information for all objects on the screen. Its AI capabilities add to the realism of the animations. Finally, at number 1, we have Adobe Character Animator. This software uses the power of Adobe Sensei AI and machine learning to create animated cartoons. It tracks your facial expressions and movements in real time and maps those to a 3D character. This makes it simpler than ever to create 3D cartoons that are lively and engaging. And there you have it, the top 10 AI 3D cartoon makers that you can use offline. Each of these tools offers a unique set of features and AI capabilities, making the process of creating your own 3D cartoons easier and more enjoyable. So, why wait? Start exploring these tools today and bring your creativity to life.